How can you survive working living in United Arab Emirates UAE Dubai with low income salary 900 dirham? In this video, I will be sharing with you my experience and breakdown on how I survive living working in UAE with low income salary 900 dirham. Kindly help to share this video to your friends working living in UAE. It's my first time in United Arab Emirates, UAE, Dubai. I got the job in one marble company whereby they do marble and the stone fixing. But as a newcomer in the United Arab Emirates, I was working as helper. You know, I was working as helper, and if you are working as helper, your basic salary starts from 1,000. Let me say from 900 to 1,000. So since I got the job from that company, I went for an interview and I said, okay, I can do this work. So they gave me the job. My salary, basic salary was 1,000 dirham as at that time, and from that 1,000 dirham, they have to be deducting 100 dirham every month. Oosh. Which means my basic, also which means I'll be receiving 900 dirham, and that 900 dirham will be my basic salary. Why are they deducting 100 dirham every month from my salary? Remember, the company is responsible for your visa and your Emirate ID, which means they will be deducting 100 dirham every month for your visa, which they did for complete 2 years. So if you calculate 100 dirham times 12, that is about 1,200 dirham. 1,200 dirham times 2, that is 2,400. 2,400 dirham for the whole first 2 years. I hope you understand that. So, which means normally